All right, graphing a line given its equation in slope-intercept form with a fractional slope. So slope-intercept form is the y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b, or whatever, if it's a plus b or a minus b, that is your y-intercept. Now, b, I always think of as starts for begin. So the b is the y-intercept, and it's where we begin here on the y-axis. So if it's a negative, we'd start at a negative value. If it's a positive, we'll start at a positive value. And then m stands for move, where we're moving, it's the slope, and that tells us how we're moving to the next point. And it's always up or down first, and then left or right. If the fraction is negative, I always move down and then to the right, unless it doesn't fit on the graph. All right, so we have this equation, which is y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. So we know that this is my b, begin, and this is my slope, my m, and I'm going to go down 2 and then right 3. All right, so I'm going to start at and using the tools. You can use the pencil for the dot to put your first point, or you can put your first point with the line. I usually just put my dots. So I've got a -1 at my b, so I'm going to be at -1 on my y-axis. And then I said I'm going, the slope is a negative slope, so I'm going to go down 2 first and then to the right 3. So down 2, 1, 2, 3. I can do more than that or not, and then I can draw my straight line through these as close as I can. I'm a little off, but Alex will let you pick your points, and then you will be perfectly fine. So I'm going to move this just a little bit, just so I can get it with my drawing as much as I can. There we go. Close as we can with this. All right, so always begin at the B, and then you're moving up or down to get to your next point.